Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for today's Friday haul. It's Friday, October 2nd. It's actually my birthday. And yeah, I'm glad it's Friday and going to celebrate with my family later. And actually, my daughter's birthday is tomorrow. And my son was last week. So yeah, it's a festive week here in this household. So anyway, I still have lots of fun stuff to show you this week. So let's get started. I've got I have like a bunch of stores to share with you guys, but only a few things from each one. So we'll just go through them. First, I have some resin molds from Aliexpress, and they all came from the same shop. And thank you to Erica, who enabled me from this shop. They had such cute molds, and I haven't had a chance to work with them yet, but hopefully soon. And in advance, I apologize for the crinkling because I haven't taken them out of the little packages yet, just because I want to keep them really clean until I use them. So anyway, this is the first one. It's a cute little coffee cup, and it's got a heart in it. And it does have like a place for, it's going to form a hole in the resin. So that's good to make it like a tag or whatever. But I like that they're nice and thin. You're not going to use up a whole lot of resin on each one, but they're still thick enough to be, you know, stable, I think. So anyway, I've got that coffee cup, and I got this cute candy cane that has a bow on it. I just think this is adorable, and I think this would be good to paint afterwards because once it's done, it needs some definition, I think, on the bow part. So, and then the little holder at the top is a heart. So how cute is that, right? And I'll link all these down below so you guys can check them out if you want. This one is a little gingerbread guy, also with a little heart hole at the top. And oh, I just love it. I think he's so cute. I've been collecting tons of resin paraphernalia, but haven't been doing too much with it. But anyway, there's a little house, and it has a little circle hole at the top, but it has this cute little heart cut out at the bottom, which I just think is so cute. And these are all silicone, so they should be nice and stable and easy to pop out. This one's a little like KitchenAid mixer, and I think it is so cute. It reminds me of like the little shaker molds that we all have, but I just love it. I think this will be fun to make also. So it says, what does it say? It says Angel Wings. I think that might be the brand because obviously it's not Angel Wings. And then I got this one. This is a Snowflake. And I like that this one's a little thicker. I think that's probably important for these because of all the, thin pieces. So it'll make it nice and stable once you pour resin into it. And of course, you don't have to make it that thick, but it's a nice option if you want to. Also with a hole at the top. And then I got a tiny, pretty small little heart, which has a heart hole in it. I thought that would be cute to add to like keychains, And the last one I got is another drink one. This one is like, like a latte or something. I just thought it was really cute. Oh, can you see? Yeah. All right, so that's those. And let me just move those over to the side. We'll get the crinkling done and move on to a less crinkly thing. All right, so that's all I got from Allie this week. Next, I have a few things from Michael's. I did go, I think it was last Saturday before the lowest price of the season sale ended, and I got a couple packs of cardstock. This one is called Mint Hues. I just really like these colors. So, and these were, what were they, like $2.50 or something like that? Yeah, they were 4 for $9.99. So I got that one, and this one I think I have already, but I needed some more. I need some purple and yellow. So, and it's got all these colors in it. So very the aqua or mints are similar to this one, but that's okay. I use them all the time. So that's good. All right, so I've got that. And was that it for Michael's? I thought I had one more thing. No, I guess that's it. Okay, see, I told you just a few things from each place. Okay, next we have Walmart. My Walmart had this end cap of wooden beads, and they had like different color combinations, and I got this one. This is natural color and gold and silver. And they had like 3 sizes for each color combination. They had, this is the medium size. These are 10 millimeters. And then they had bigger beads and smaller ones as well. And they had ones that were like in Christmas colors, and I forget the other ones. Maybe just like, I forget. I should have taken a picture, but this was about, I think it was like 5 something for this big bag of beads, which I thought was not a bad deal. Make some cute dangles and stuff. So got that. And was that it from? Yeah, that was it from Walmart. All right. So we're moving right along through all the different shops. Oh, wait, no, sorry. One more thing from Walmart. I got this magazine, which I get every year. It's the Better Homes and Gardens Holiday Crafts. And this is such a great magazine. All right, it's $9.99, which is, you know, a lot, but it has a lot of good patterns in here, and I always make something from this magazine. And it comes with like full-size patterns. And usually there's some Halloween ones. Yeah, there's Halloween ones in the front. Super, super cute. And when my kids were little, we would pick a project from this magazine to do every year. So that was fun. I mean, some of them are harder than others. Look how cute that is. But a lot of them are, you know, easy to do with kids. So it's a really cute magazine. There's some sewing, some embroidery. Some things are just like painting and gluing. Look at that cozy ornament. That's so cute. But anyway, they have this at Joann's usually, Walmart, supermarkets. Definitely recommend it. It's a really cute craft magazine. So got that. And then at Dollar Tree, I just got one thing, and it's this calendar. You might have seen people looking for this calendar, and then there's another farmhouse one. I didn't find the farmhouse one, but I did get this one, and I gotta tell you, I'm a little disappointed with it. And why? It was only $1. I should not be disappointed. But it looks so pretty. Let me show you the back. These are all the different months. Super cute, right? But the pages are so thin. Like, you could see right through them, you know? So, I don't know. Even if you frame it, you'll see the other side of the page on it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might just leave it in my craft room, but if it's going to bother me every time I look at it that I could see through it, I'm just going to recycle it. But it does come with a piece of chipboard, so there's that. Anyway, I think the prints are really cute, but I would rather spend a little bit more money and have a little bit better quality. And you can't really tell till you get it home because you can't open it till then. So anyway, just my little comment. If you couldn't find one of those calendars, I know everyone's been looking for them. Don't fret because they're nothing that great. All right, Hobby Lobby, I got a few things. I got this spray paint, and this is Glitter Shimmer in Glistening Gold, and I thought that would be fun to put on like the bottle brush trees like these. If you watched my video from earlier this week, I showed how to make these trees, or how to decorate them anyway, so I thought this might be a fun tool to use in making more. And oh, I wanted to tell you guys, if you watch a video, I said that I was waiting for a base to dry so I'd show it in my Friday video. So this is it. I just used a travel container cap and spray painted it aqua, and then added some trim around it, and it fit right in. See, I didn't paint the back. You could see what it looked, or the bottom. You could see what it looks like. But it adds some stability to the tree, and yeah, I think it came out pretty cute. So there's that. Anyway, back to Hobby Lobby. There's the paint, and I got this 1 pack of stickers. These are little poinsettias. I have a big pack that I got last year, I think, and but I was glad to find little ones because these are a little bit more practical for me. And then in the My Little Christmas section, I got 2 packs of these bead garlands. I got gold and silver. They had other colors too, but they had like this iridescent one that was really pretty, but I have like pearl trim similar to that, and I don't have these colors, so I figured I'd give them a try. They were $2.99, 40% off, And again, I thought these would be good for the little trees and other, you know, decorations, I'm sure. So there's that. I think that was it from Hobby Lobby. Oh no, this one right here, duh. These brads I got, they're white snowflake glitter brads, $2.99, and they were 40% off. I did make, it was in a pin cushion that I have on my Etsy shop. I made a bow using one of these, and I think it came out really cute. So I think it's, still available if you want to go check it out. All right, so there's that. And the last thing I had to show you guys is, I got a small order in from a Cherry on Top. I actually have another one coming, which will be here next week. So next Friday I'll have a little bit more to show. But this, hold on one second, let me try and grab it. Okay. This, I got a few things from Hey Santa and then a few other things. So from Hey Santa, I got this pack of charms, which was sold out on other sites, but I was glad to find it on a Cherry on Top. They're so cute, right? They're like trimmed in gold. They have the cute little pictures from Hey Santa on it. These are my first things from this collection, so I didn't get too much. I have so much Christmas stuff. I didn't want to get like a complete new collection, but a few things were fine. And then I got this pack of confetti, and yeah, I thought this was interesting. Like, the rectangle things, they're all right. Like, I wouldn't spend a lot of money on that, but I love these little Mylar, like the snowmen, and there's Santas in there and ornaments. Let's see if no, it doesn't say on the back, but and I can't open it right now because they'll spill out all over the place. But actually, is there a resealable thing on there? Oh, maybe there is. Okay, let's take a peek then. I was afraid I was going to have to cut it, and then, you know, ephemera is one thing, but these little pieces I would totally lose. So let's just take a look at some of them. I mean, they're adorable, right? I think these would be cute inside shakers. Just some little pieces floating around in there, right? Look at that sleigh. Or, yeah, sleigh. Santa on the sleigh. Sorry, I'm at that different angle on my camera, so I'm not used to holding stuff up for it. So, yeah, just really, really cute pieces. So I got that. I just wanted to get, like, the different things, you know? And then there's these, like, snowflakes. They're clear with, like, gold snowflakes on them. Where's the thing to open them? Okay, there it is. Let's take a peek. Just take one out. So, yeah, that would be good to put in shakers too, I think. I'm always looking for new kind of things to put in shakers, you know, just to change them up a little bit. So, got that, and I will link the shop down below, a Cherry on Top. I also got a few of the 12x12s. I got this page. This is all the different Santas. I'm sure you guys have all seen these already, so I won't spend too much time, but I just love these Santas. He's so cute. And then the other side is just like a little pink polka dot. And, whoops, almost dropped them. The next one I got is the snowman. Just so pretty. I just love these. Love, love, love. And then the other side is just a stripe. I also got this print, which I thought was really unique with the dark green background and then some pastels on it. Love that angel. We've got the skinny Santa, car, snowman, swan. Some things you don't really expect in a Christmas collection, like rainbow and mushroom. Cute. I like that one. And then I got some cut aparts. Super cute. Let's Get Cozy. I love that one. Adorable. And then the back is just this plaid. And one more, the 12x12 papers. This one's my favorite. It's a light pink background with the little village scene. Oh, this is so cute. I really got to figure out a fun way to use that. And that's the back, just a stripe. I did get the chipboard too, I love to get chipboard and crepe paper collections. Sorry for the glare. So super, super cute. And that's all I got from Hey Santa for now. Maybe I'll get more eventually. I might get like the smaller, the 6x8 paper pad. That one, I don't know if it just wasn't available yet or it's sold out, but it wasn't in stock. So I probably would have ordered that, to be honest with you. I also got 2 dies, and I treated myself to Lawn Fawn dies, which I don't usually buy them because they're kind of expensive, but I did get them. Sorry, I couldn't figure out how to get it to look nice in the package again because I did cut some things out with it, which I'll show you. But this one is called the Outside In Stitched Mug. And as you can see, it's a mug with heart, and it's got like the little steam lines too. And this one, it cuts out the mug, but it also leaves a nice stitched edge on your paper if you wanted to like make it a shaker like that. But it coordinates with this one as well. And this one is called Stitched Mug Frame. And you combine them both if you want to make a shaker for the whole mug, which is, I mean, you could do it another way too, I'm sure, but it works well if you have both of these to make a shaker. It just makes it easier. It comes with little marshmallows, and I think those are coffee beans, and little hearts, and a spoon. Oh, where's the tea bag too? There's a tea bag. Oh, that was in this one. Maybe I put it in the wrong pack. I think I did, but there's like a little tea bag thing. So let me just show you one that I made because it's hard to tell from there. I made this card front. I didn't turn it into a card yet, but yeah, look, isn't that adorable? It's a cute little shaker mug. I popped it up on some 3mm foam. I added a bunch of shaker bits from, let's see, it was from Buttons Galore, and it's this pack of sparklets, and it comes with the snowman, and it's mostly clear beads and just like dewdrops, but it also has some sequins in there, and these cute like clear beads with little, I don't know if you can see, with aqua insides. And then there's some regular sequins too. This one is called Frosty Friends. So anyway, that's what I use for the inside of the shaker. And the paper collection I used was Not a Creature Was Stirring. I think that's what it's called by Photoplay. I think that's what it is. And I used, that was from the die set, the heart and the marshmallows. And then I thought these kind of looked like marshmallows too, just because I used the same like shimmer paper and put them on foam as well. This was a like kind of a thicker sticker I had. And yeah, I guess that's it. This too, thicker sticker. And I just like, I love this background paper with the hot chocolate. So I might do something more with the mug, like put something on the front or just something like maybe around the cup handle. But yeah, just wanted to show you what it looked like cut out. I love Lawn Fawn dies. They're just so detailed and, you know, so versatile. So I was glad I got those. I will, like I said, link a cherry on top down below. And yeah, I guess that is it for today, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Hope you're doing some good crafting. We're going to be going to a pumpkin patch tomorrow to pick out our pumpkins for the front of the house on the porch. And yeah, I guess that's it. All right, you guys have a great weekend. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm going to go out shopping with my daughter for a little while this afternoon, so that'll be fun. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.